Hello and welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. I'm Amy Sonneman and today I get to share with you the Thinking of You card kit designed by Becky Moore. This card kit includes everything you need to create 8 beautiful cards and lots of extra pieces left over so that you can be creative and create something fun of your own. Let's jump in and take a look at all of the pieces in this collection. All of the PHOTOPLAY card kits include a full color copy on the front of the packaging of all of the cards that you'll create. So if you're visual and you like to just copy what you see, you can do the visual piece here. Or if you like to read step-by-step instructions, you can also turn the cover sheet over and there are step-by-step instructions for each individual card. So however you like to create, we've given you both options to be able to make it quick and easy to create 8 stunning cards. This is sheet number 1. You'll have 3 different patterns inside of your kit. So when you get your kit, you'll cut apart all of the different pieces on sheet 1. This is the back of sheet 1. You're getting 2 sheets of each of the pattern papers. If you by chance cut something wrong off of this sheet, no worries because you have an extra sheet in your kit to be able to make it right. So no stress involved. You have plenty of extra pieces to be able to create all the beautiful cards you see in this kit. This is sheet number 2. It includes more elements to be able to cut apart and create your cards with. The back of that paper includes this beautiful floral background. And this is sheet number 3. It includes your tags, some diagonal backgrounds for the card bases, and then a few little extra pieces as well. The back of that paper includes these fun polka dots and all those bright, beautiful colors. You'll also get a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet that includes a lot of your sayings, and a lot of times you need a specific kind of card. And we give you lots of different options to be able to choose the sentiment that works best for you and your card giving needs. Let's take a look at the finished cards. This is card number 1 with the "You Brighten My Day" sentiment. I popped that up with a little bit of foam mounting tape and added a little bit of ribbon from my stash. I personally like to add a little bit of pen work around the edges of some of the details in the card. It just makes me happy. You can choose to do that or just leave it blank. I like to give you extra options. This is card number 2. Quick and easy with this fun floral heart in the middle. Sometimes I cut my paper a little bit short because I like to see a little bit of white edge around the outside. You can choose to do that or not. I like to give you options. This is card number 3. I've also done a little bit of pen work. I've added some foam tape behind the circle and some of the floral pieces. This is the With Heartfelt Sympathy card, and I love the hexagons. That is just so pretty, and you fill in the hexagons with pieces from the sticker sheet, so it's super easy to create this adorable card. This fun card with "You Are in My Thoughts" has just a teeny bit of pen work. I added some ribbon. All of this I kept flat so that it mails real easily. How fun is this card with "Our Thoughts Are With You"? A little tiny bit of twine from my stash, and I 3D mounted the sticker sheet. This is the "I'm Here For You" card with a little file folder embellishment in the background, some fun patterns, and these cute stickers, as well as a little bit of pen detailing. This is the last card in the card kit. It's the "You're in My Thoughts Today" card with just a little bit of floral detail, this fun banner strip which I did pop up with foam tape, and I left a little bit of white space around the edges. So cute, quick, easy, beautiful cards for any occasion. If you're looking for a quick and easy card making project, be sure to check out the Thinking of You card kit that creates 8 stunning cards with lots of extra pieces to create even more beautiful creations. Thanks for stopping by today, and have a great day.